The Uniform Civil Code, one of India's most controversial and contentious legal issues, a subject which has been at the heart of political, legal, and social controversy for decades. But what is the UCC? How did it arise? Why is it being implemented in Uttarakhand? And what does it bode for India's plural communities? Let's dissect. The Uniform Civil Code, or UCC, is proposed to create a single uniform personal law for all Indian citizens irrespective of religion. This would include uniformity under marriage, divorce, inheritance, and adoption. The concept is enshrined in Article 44 of the Indian Constitution, which is one of the directive principles of state policy. But why did they pass it to begin with? The history of the UCC goes back to British India. The colonial regimes had imposed distinct personal laws on different religious communities. The Hindu laws were codified under the British Raj, whereas the Muslim personal laws remained Sharia-based. Post-independence, when the Indian Constitution was being drafted, there was a virulent debate on whether India should enact a uniform civil code. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a major supporter, who felt that religion-based laws were discriminatory in nature, and a common code would ensure gender justice and equality. Religious communities, however, resisted the concept, leading to its incorporation as a directive principle rather than immediate legislation. Year by year, the courts have had the responsibility of reviving the debate on UCC. Let us take a look at some landmark cases. 1. John Valamadam case, 2003. The case challenged the discriminatory provisions of the Indian Succession Act against Christians. The Supreme Court declared such provisions unconstitutional. 2. Shabano case, 1985. A Muslim woman, Shabana, was denied alimony at the time of divorce. The Supreme Court gave her relief under the Criminal Procedure Code, Section 125, but this caused political repercussions, leading to the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act, 1986, which overruled the judgment. 3. Daniel Latifi case, 2001. The Supreme Court confirmed that Muslim women are legally entitled to maintenance following the Iddat period to ensure economic security. 4. Sarla Mudgal case, 1995. The case was related to Hindu men converting to Islam only to practice polygamy. The Supreme Court emphasized the importance of a uniform civil code to prevent the exploitation of religious laws. 5. Shayara Bano case, 2017. The Supreme Court held triple talaq as unconstitutional, laying stress on the need for reforms in personal laws. 6. Jose Paulo Coutinho case, 2019. The Supreme Court again emphasized the need for UCC, citing Goa as an example where a common civil law is already in place. Fast forward to 2024. Uttarakhand became the first state to officially enact the Uniform Civil Code. So what does this law entail? Uniform marriage and divorce law for all communities. Equal inheritance rights for women and men, regardless of religion. Stricter control on child marriage and polygamy. Some view this as a positive move, while others argue that it disregards religious and cultural diversity. The legislation may face legal challenges. Will other states follow suit? Time will tell. So, is the UCC a good thing? Here are the pros and cons. Benefits. Ensures equality for all citizens. Empowers women by removing discriminatory personal laws. Streamlines the legal system. Concerns may overlook religious freedom and diversity. Could lead to political and social unrest. Implementation challenges across different states. In a nutshell, the Uniform Civil Code is a historic legal reform that has been debated for decades. It promises equality and codification of laws, but some fear it could curb religious freedom and culture. With Uttarakhand's UCC in 2024, its implications remain to be seen. Will other states adopt it? Will India ever have a national UCC? The debate continues. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth legal analysis.